Bawa po tayo bisyo sa tanan ninyo. Need ba ang kalisan?
貧富が通り過ぎて花びら舞い散る君の笑顔を見たくて
Guys, Ali came and niyapas si Shell. Pero na-stop siya, wala siya. Ayaw. Wala sa ko'y payong. Saan manina kong duha. Thank you. Thank you, kuya. Thank you, ate Jay. Ay, kuya, ate. Gusto ko siya, kuya, ate. Okay, so for you, Alena. What is love? Love. Pwede raw one word. Uy.
Love is... Isa ha, mag-unahula sa usa ko ah.
Sige.
Love is commitment. Love is him. Si...
What about you?
Love is... Ito, galina sa ako. Manak ko.
Guys, magkuha na ba ni siya Nikki concert o ba ni Uma? Bularga pa ni Manila. Okay, what is love?
It's taking the risk. Ako na dyan
Okay.
Very neat.
Okay, what if di siya mo take a risk? Meaning ba na di ka niya love?
Oh, that wasn't love.
If di siya ka risk,
I think that was just infatuation.
ang dili mo risk. Mag-agree ka na. Kaya dili ni mo love, di ka mo risk.
Yeah. Love is such, kung ano siya pa, like deep na siya. Automatic man na, mo-raise ka if love ni mo. Anjud na. Oh, muna na, mo-raise ka na.
Partner jud na.
Automatic na love. So, muna, love is taking the risk.
Dili ka
They
nila
like
love.
you, but it's not enough to pursue
Oh!
or to take the risk.
Ang sa'yo mo pinaka-looking forward yung kanta ni Nikki Uma?
Anaheim, on the drive home.
Oh my gosh, I love On the Drive Home. Anaheim.
Kung kanta siya on the drive home, day mo hilak ko dahil. Char. Dili ko pa. Hindi siya guys. Pero,
Siya familiar, guys.
I'm a fan.
Me too.
Pero Anaheim o on the drive home. Siya ang Anaheim.
Hindi siya nga kanta. Actually, mauna. Anaheim kay place man na siya. Mauna akong hindi ko magsaba. Okay, ibutang ko ni.
Ay na lang. Okay, guys.
Dili ko.
We're done with class, guys. We're all sick, guys. Are you sick?
Yes.
Are you sick? No?
Bago pa ko na ayo.
Yay! Who's sick? I'm sick.
I'm not
She's
sick.
She's not
You're
sick.
about to be.
What about Shy Shy? Are you sick, Shy Shy? Very good. No!
Shy Shy is not sick. You
Never.
will never be.
They're matching, guys. Oh. Happy Valentine's. Iba yun.
心躍らせた夜と色の空に誓うよ時が流れても君を忘れない
Kaya kasaka na sa dalan.
Yes, bye! Kami question. Yes, answer ha.
Balik tali, balik, go.
Sige. Again, I will repeat the question, guys. So, tanaw ninyo, need ba o kalisod para makaingon mo nga life is worthwhile?
Ano to? Pwede murag na-shock ko ato na question. Parang ako na. My definition of a worthwhile life is a life na with meaning. Kaya ko lang. With my 21 years old. Kanang, it's my meaning mo na kasi myself na every moment has a meaning. I'm guessing it's worthwhile. And wala man kung di man kumain ani karon if I didn't went through a lot of challenges. Yeah, I guess for me, need. Laila sa tanang need. Di pwede ka na born lang kita na the world is not perfect. So, na mag-try kalisudan. Yes po.
Yay!
Same question.
Yeah, same question.
Kuan.
Hiya!
Hi, Royal! Hi, Christine! Hi, Christine! Say hi, Christine.
Thank you sa fan ako, dahil.
Hot seat jud.
Padayon din
Here you go.
Ay, bali siya kay ang ako kay ayo consider life worthwhile if murag wala ko galisod.
Oh, interesting. Hi, si Alexis.
Ako mag-yun, I find the like little things are the most meaningful. So whether nag-insert ka or dili, we're not that. So I don't care either way.
Either way.
Let's go guys.
Like I think same ni Emlyn na dili man ni dog challenges ang life para makaingon ka na life is meaningful. I guess you just have to find the positive in it para ma-worthwhile and meaningful ang imong experience sa life. I think it depends sa imong mindset ba.
Wow, yeah. Ganda yun.
Walang exemption.
Maybe it improves by your perception sa life, but there's only so late threshold ba of how much kalisod atong maagyan before we think na agyan ni mo. So,
Lain na ni.
Lain na mo kami. Di na dyan ni Madara sa powers. Next.
Kayla. Sige, ask the question, Shari.
Kayla,
Before ka masunod question.
do you think kailangan ka mo agi kalisod para makaingon ka ng worthwhile imong life?
Dili. Yes, because you will never know how.
Aday di Manila na si Kuya day.
What? You will never know what. Pressure na siya.
Sorry, Bert. Sorry, Tanaw ni mo, kuya.
Last question.
Kailangan ka mo agi kalisod para makaingon ka na meaning imong kinabuhi. Ay, lugar.
Bye! Sorry! Bye-bye. Bye, Christine. Hi. Yeah, I will ask you. You walk. Do you think... Yeah, I think...
That you need to go through something difficult for you to say that your life is worthwhile.
No?
It's a happy part.
So you don't think you need to go through difficulty?
No, I think it's normal to go through it, pero your life will be worthwhile because of all the people in your life. Friends, family, and
Correct.
Can we always be this close?
Hindi ko na kaya. Groups of atoms is called naman. Time check, guys. It's 2:16 a.m. Crazy girls.
に笑ってくる夢
Guys, we're gonna eat something. Love. I'm with Corinne and Elena. Dami na nga, last mo kaagi kanina morning. 6 a.m. Para worth it ang something. Yan pa ko school, and si Elena gikan duty. And then si Corinne, ay wala dahil, sorry. Gikan siya school, sa
あの場所へ
we're back here again.
この時間過ごすように
Pagkaon man kuya, pagkaon na nasa manimod.
Si Kuya, ganda yung para siya.
愛も不可能